Hi there, my name is Ayodeji Peter Falokwe, lead consultant at Radisson Consulting. Now, I'd like to use this chance to welcome you to the upcoming seminar themed Own Your Own Company and Build Transgenerational Wealth Post-COVID. Now, this event is happening on the 4th of December 2021 at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, this is a chance for you to learn how to build your own company from scratch or grow your existing company leveraging technology. Now, the real estate industry is one of the industries that you can take advantage of. Now, I'll be there to guide you, to give you information on how you can leverage the opportunities that exist right now, presented by the COVID situation. Yes, the COVID has presented opportunities that you can leverage on. So don't miss it. I'll be there December 4th, 2021, Radisson Blue Hotel. My name is Ayodeji Peter Falokwe, lead consultant, Radisson Consulting.